And we'll never be royals because we're too cheap. Royalty comes with a price. Ask any king or queen in the history of everything. None of them are poor. I actually just made that up, but it's potentially right. Don't at me. And the same goes for King Dedede. This guy has minions everywhere. He takes all the food he wants. Wait, if he's rich, why is he taking food? We're going to ignore that part. He's obviously rich if he can afford all these Waddle Dees and all these other little monsters. Here's a problem. We're not rich, but we want to be royals. Welcome to $30 cosplay.
Only got $30 in my pocket.
There are never good kings in video games, aren't there? The only issue here is we're on a budget. We got $30, count them. $30, 30 minions, 30 Waddle Dees. Does he sell off his minions? What? And because we're only spending $30, we gotta remember now, more than ever, that we are not focusing on 100% accuracy. There is a lot to King Dedede. There is a lot of details there, and $30 is not gonna get all those details. We just want the illusion of accuracy. What we want is for people to walk by, look at us, and say, that weird duck thing looks like he might be royalty. Do we bow? Do we bow? Is that what we do? That's right, you better bow to the king. Let's see how this goes. Hey, are you ever gonna be royals? Hey, can you just not wait to be king? Hey, are you Freddie Mercury's band, gender bent? Welcome to $30 cosplay. So this is gonna be really interesting here, because like I said, a lot of details on King Dedede, very little money we can spend. While shopping, I actually started getting a little discouraged. It's not like Mario and Luigi. Mario and Luigi were the first ones I did $30 cosplay for, and it was easy because people make hats already. They already got hats pre-made. They got the mustaches pre-made. Mario and Luigi, so easy to cosplay because everything's already out there. Ain't nobody making a King Dedede hat or robe or kimono thing he wears under the robe. So you gotta improvise, and when you got $30. Improvisation is all you can do. We're gonna start with this little guy. See, I tried to get the most important pieces to being King Dedede, and I think, judging by the way this feels, this is the most important piece right here. Come on, open up. Why didn't I grab my scissors? Oh, it's just like in the picture. Hey! It's a little duck nose. It's the one-size costume duck nose. From Nosing Around. I'm nervous because it's ages 4 and plus. That's me. I'm really pleased that this is actually like elastic string because in the picture I thought it was a rubber band. This will be a little more comfortable. It's so tiny. Is this gonna fit around my head? Am I gonna pop? No, this is not gonna fit around my head. Oh boy! There you go. And might I tell you, this smells amazing. It does smell amazing. It's moments like this that I wonder if I should have done a $50 cosplay. But you gotta have the duck face in order to be King Dedede. And for only $2, this thing really fit the bill. You knew there was a duck pun coming. You should have. This package has a baby rabbit on the front. So we got the nose so people know we're a duck. Now we need to not be naked. So, oh good, they wrapped it in paper. We got a shirt. Nice little plain tan shirt. A big one. It's the Next Level Men's Premium Fitted Short Sleeve Crew T-shirt, extra large, cream. This was barely over $6. Really, all this is for is to cover up this. And King Dedede has that little tan-colored kimono that he wears beneath his robe. That's this! That's this! I know he also has that red and yellow belt thing, sash, that goes across there. Could not find one cheap enough to fit within the extra money I had left. So that's when $30 cosplay down the road turns into like $10 upgrade. See? Alright, cool. We're not naked. What else we got? We got the big one now. We got the big one. There should be a few things in here. First things first. New sun every day. Enjoy sunshine. Enjoy life. That has nothing to do with this video. King Dedede has that little red hat with like a yellow crown and a white puffball. You know how difficult it is to find, first off, that specific hat. Second off, a red hat with a white puffball. So we got a red hat with a tan puffball, which is separate and it snaps on. That's actually kind of awesome. Do they sell like different puffballs? Can I just like switch them out? Snap on, there we go. Hey, oh God, guys. The inside of this is it's so soft and warm. Forget the cosplay for a second. This is a really nice hat. And for $9.99, it can be yours. It's the women's winter rib knit faux fur pom-poms chunky line beanie hats twist red. What a mouthful. I ain't gonna look good in it, but it's a nice hat. I look like a freaking gnome. And the final thing, the big thing, we got a big red robe with white puffy trim. And there were so many robes like that on Amazon. A lot of them way too expensive. I'd like scroll through and I'd be like, that one looks amazing, that one's perfect. And then I'd forget to check the price and it'd be like $80 and I'm like, can't do it. So instead, what we went with, to get similar results, we got a Santa costume. It's the Fun World Costumes Men's Adult Pub Crawl Santa Suit, red, white, one size. That scares me, one size. And what does it come with? It comes with a jacket, pants, belt, hat, and beard. All of that for $10. I mean, even without King Dedede, that's a good deal. I really wanted puffy white trim, but we went with flat white because it was cheap. So all we're going to be using from this kit is this buddy right here. That's going to fit me. Yeah, that'll fit. The King Dedede robe, it's pretty thin, but it's what is it, felt? That's felt. That's definitely very thin. And if I pull hard enough, I'll definitely rip it. I mean, it's $10 for everything. What do you expect? Is it felt? This is polyester. It's felt. I don't care what it says. It's felt. And just as a bonus, I believe this is the belt. We don't need that. I was tempted to just use this as King Dedede's hat, but I figured it would be too much of a Santa Claus and not enough of a king. Still look like a gnome. And we got the pants. Kind of makes me feel good because this is something I could make. They sold this for $10. So we got everything. There's a little bit of mismatch that we got going on here, but I expected that. So I guess we'll see what we got. Boy, was that something. I still would be happier if we had our little belt thing. But you know, what can you do? And like I said, later on, I'll get some $10 sash or something. For what it's worth, which isn't much, I'd still say it's another successful $30 cosplay. Thank you for tuning in. This has been King Dedede. Tune in next Friday when we're gonna... Wait, what? Estimated delivery March 28th to April 16th. That's like a month-long window. That's not even soon. Tune in at some point. There'll be another $30 cosplay. It might not be next Friday. Who knows when this thing is gonna ship?